Let's make cinnamon rolls. First, go to your store, get you some loaves of bread, frozen. Get a pan, spray it with some cooking spray. This is easy. Put your bread loaf in your pan, cover it with a towel, and let it sit for several hours till it fully rises. So now that our bread has risen overnight, you can see I'm gonna take some flour and put it on my counter, on my clean counter. I'm gonna take the bread loaf that has risen out. Now that I have my dough all rolled out, I'm gonna take some sugar and mix in some cinnamon. We're just gonna sprinkle our cinnamon and sugar all over our bread, and it smells like homemade bread. Nobody will ever know. To get a really good solid layer, because after all, they are cinnamon rolls. Then I'm just gonna roll my dough. Now we're just gonna slice them into cinnamon rolls. So now I've got a baking dish, and you can roll your dough smaller if you just want to make like 6 or 8. I'm making quite a few, so I've got a bigger dish. Just gonna spray this down with some cooking spray. I've got them kind of spread out, and you'll see why here in just a little bit. Take a clean towel, cover them up, go do a little shopping, and I'll be back in a little while. So after a couple hours, all nice and fluffy again. Take about 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream and pour it. Now we're just gonna take some brown sugar and sprinkle brown sugar all over. Next and last step before they go in the oven is some hot melted butter. We're gonna put these in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. While those are cooking, we're gonna make the glaze that goes on top. 2 cups of powdered sugar. Doesn't have to be exact. 2 tablespoons of my leftover melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. You can use milk too. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna take my hand mixer and mix it up. So it makes a thick consistency like what you would get in the can at the store. I'm gonna give it a taste just to make sure it's vanilla-ish enough. That's perfect. I don't even know if they need glaze fresh out of the oven. See, they filled up this whole pan. Now all we have left to do is glaze them. Got my glaze. Start spreading it on there. It's gonna melt into yumminess. All glazed. Oh, these are gonna be hot, but I can't wait to taste one. Yes, they're hot. They're hot. Let it cool a little bit. I'm gonna give that 500 out of 10.